Hispaniola is the second largest island in the Caribbean, after Cuba. The island is divided into two countries, the Dominican Republic and Haiti. Hispaniola was the first island in the Caribbean to be colonized by Europeans. Christopher Columbus landed on Hispaniola in 1492 during his first voyage. The capital city of the Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo, which is the oldest continuously inhabited European settlement in the Americas. Haiti became the first country in the world to gain independence from slavery in 1804. The island is home to the only remaining native population of the Taino people. Hispaniola has a diverse range of ecosystems, including mountains, forests, and coastal areas. The island's highest peak is Pico Duarte, which rises to 3,098 meters, 10,164 feet. Hispaniola is one of the most biodiverse islands in the Caribbean, hosting a wide variety of plant and animal species. The island experiences a tropical climate, characterized by warm temperatures and seasonal rainfall. The Dominican Republic is known for its stunning beaches, with Punta Cana being a major tourist destination. The island produces a significant amount of sugar, coffee, and tobacco. Hispaniola is home to the endangered Hispaniolan solenodon, a small insectivorous mammal. The island has significant cultural influences from Spanish, French, African, and Taino heritage. Baseball is the most popular sport in the Dominican Republic, with many players going on to play in Major League Baseball in the U.S. The island's capital, Port-au-Prince, is known for its vibrant art scene and historical architecture. The Dominican Republic is famous for its merengue and bachata music and dance. The island is located near the Greater Antilles archipelago in the Caribbean Sea. Hispaniola was once home to the capital of the Spanish Empire in the New World. The island has a population of over 22 million people combined between both countries. There are over 300 species of birds found on the island, including many endemic species. Hispaniola has a rich history of colonization, revolution, and cultural exchange. The island has several national parks, including Jaragua National Park and Los Haitises National Park. Both countries have distinct culinary traditions, reflecting their diverse cultural influences. The island's terrain includes mountain ranges, valleys, and coastal plains. The Dominican Republic shares the island with Haiti, which has a different language, culture, and history. Hispaniola's rivers, such as the Artibonite and Ozama, are critical for the region's agriculture. The Dominican Republic has the largest economy in the Caribbean. Hispaniola is known for its vibrant festivals, celebrated with music, dance, and colorful parades. The island's economy relies heavily on tourism, agriculture, and remittances from abroad.